I rebuke every power of darkness in the mighty name of Jesus. I render you powerless. Lord, I declare in the name of Jesus, every demonic power disappear in the name of Jesus. Lord, I declare in the name of Jesus, no more struggle, no more struggle, no more pain in the name of Jesus. I render powerless, I render powerless every demonic power that has been struggling. Shakatin. Lord, I change our life. This is a daughter of the Most High, and from now, let our life change, let our style change, let our finances change, change everything concerning our life. Let our value change, let many value. Receive the grace. May you be honored in the name of Jesus.